how to make Netflix intro. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to make Netflix intro. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go on this website called panzoid.com. Here, all you have to do is scroll down and click on View All Creations. When you are in a creations, click on a top. Here, scroll down and you should see it right here down below the Netflix. What I'm going to do, I will just click on it and I have to click on this link which says Open in Clipmaker. It's loading. First, let's play it out how it looks like. So what we have to do now is we have to rename it. So for example, we need to rename the Netflix here. So go here to this object, click object, and you can see all we have to do is just change the text. So I'm just going to click here on text and I will rename the Netflix to Professor. So I will change all the text one by one, and then also the second text, you just need to click away. Second text Netflix to Professor. And now as you can see, it's changed. I will just download it now. Start with your render. When it finishes, we will see how it looks like. What I want to point out, this is really great intro if your audience watches Netflix. Also, let's say that you are a TV show channel, or you are a meme channel, or you are making a Reddit videos, because plenty of people from Reddit are watching Netflix and watching TV shows. Like if you see a person from 15 to 30, maybe even more, they will say to you, I know Netflix. They heard of the logo, and it's really pretty amazing. So now it's being rendered. I will download it and let's see how it looks like it's here. Show in folder, let's open it, and here it is. So that's basically how you can make Netflix intro. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.